huge Innisfree haul. I bought a lot of stuff from Innisfree. I think some of the products are absolutely phenomenal and I love them. They are in my favorites as well. So I will be sharing with you what all I bought. But before that, I wanted to tell you guys that Innisfree is having an amazing contest in collaboration with Nykaa. Now entering in this contest is fairly easy. All you have to do is purchase Innisfree products worth ₹1,000. Once you do that, you will get an eco handkerchief free with your purchase. Now the eco handkerchief has a very noble idea behind it. It promotes sustainable development, wherein it shares the idea that using a hanky is better than using tissues because it's more environmental friendly. And once you get your eco handkerchief, all you have to do is use it in a creative way, click a photograph, upload it on Facebook or Instagram and use the hashtag InnisfreeXNykaa. I will have it written right here. Tag Innisfree and Nykaa. You can also tag me if you want. And that is literally it. The winners will be announced on 5th of July. And as I said, the first prize is obviously a trip to Jeju Islands. You will get flight and hotel accommodation for 2 people, which is amazing. So if you win, you can probably take me with you as well. I would love that. Please take me with you. Then the second prize is vouchers worth ₹3,000 for 30 people. Yes, for 30 people. And then 3,000 you can get a lot of stuff from Innisfree. I'm sure of that. And then there's a third prize as well, which is vouchers worth ₹1,000 for 25 people. Those are a lot of prizes, so there's a really high chance that some of you can win that as well. So go ahead and participate in the contest. Now I'm going to start off with my haul, which as you can see is going to be a huge one. So I'm going to show you the eco handkerchief first because obviously I received it as well. My purchase was way over more than ₹1,000. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a really nice grey packaging which says use a hanky, save the earth, which is just so cute. You can see it up close. It's a really cutely packaged product, and then it has a few things written on the back which share the idea of sustainable development with you all. So I'm just going to open this. I haven't opened this myself as well. So it's a fairly big size of eco handkerchief, and then again there's a man sitting there. It's a really cute eco handkerchief. I can probably use it like a hand accessory sort of. I'll probably upload a photograph on Instagram, not to participate but just to, like, you know, spread the message. It's a really nice message and something that we should all work towards. So that's the first thing. Then second thing, the Innisfree wine peeling jelly softener. I've been eyeing this for the longest time, like from the first trip to the Innisfree store. I've been eyeing this baby. It comes in this wine bottle and it just looks so pretty. Now this one retails for ₹900. I can't wait to try this out. I've heard good things about it, and because I'm from the dry skin family, anything which has the word soft in it, it instantly goes into my cart. Next, I bought the Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask because I've heard so many good things about it. This one retails for ₹1,100 and it comes in a jar like this, which is very heavy. I feel this is glass. I want to say this is glass. No, it's plastic. But yes, as I said, I've heard amazing things about it and I cannot wait to try this one out because, you know, I have pores, I have whiteheads, I have a huge issue of blackheads, and if it can help me in any way, I'm all game for it. Then next up, I got the green tea seed serum. I have used this, but this is like a newer packaging. The older packaging was normal, green, boring kind of thing, but this one is way more cuter. It has palm trees and such a cute print on it. Like, it just looks so cute. Like, Koreans know their packaging game. Their packaging game is strong as hell. And next I got the green tea balancing cream. Again, I have used this, but the packaging on this one is cuter. Again, it has the cute palm leaf print which has my heart, and I love the new packaging. It's just a lot more fun than the previous one. And this one retails for ₹1,900, but it's a very big tub and literally you just need a pea size amount of this one on your face and your face is sorted. Then next up I got the Cedarwood body cleanser. This is what it looks like. It comes in this huge bottle and it retails for ₹750. I believe you can never have enough good smelling shower gels. They are a must, especially because we're in summers. I literally bathe in them, so I need to have like a good lineup of different perfumes as I get bored of a perfume really quickly. So I got that. And obviously, you know me, I love buying complete ranges of things, so I had to get the Cedarwood body lotion just to, you know, maximize and enhance the perfume of the product. This one retails for ₹900. It comes in the same size as the shower gel, so there's a comparison for you all for the packaging size. And yeah, that was the Cedarwood lotion. Next up, I obviously had to get some sheet masks, although I already have like a gazillion of them. So I got some of my favorites, which is the green tea, then the collagen skin mask, and then the Vita C skin mask, because this brightens your skin. Collagen just adds a lot of moisture and smoothness to your skin. And then green tea, I love green tea mask. This one retails for 100 rupees, this one retails for 150 rupees, and the last one retails for 150 as well, which is the Vita C mask. So I have those 3 masks. You should like really congratulate me that I stopped at 3 than buying like 50 masks, because generally that's what happens with me personally. Then I got some makeup products. I feel like we have just makeup products now, so I'm gonna just jump into the makeup products because I'm really excited to try Innisfree makeup because I love their cushion foundation, so I can't wait to try out more stuff. So the first thing that I got was the Innisfree No Sebum Blur Primer. This is what it looks like. It is infused with Juju particles, and this one retails for, I have no clue how much it retails for, but this is what it looks like. So I love blurring primers because they just add a nice blur layer on your face, and you can wear them by themselves as well. So I hope this one does that job for me. Then next I got the Innisfree Ultra Fine Brow Mascara. This retails for rupees 400, so it's really affordable as well. The wand of this looks like this, which is like a really thin, very precise brow mascara wand. The color however seems a little light for me, so I will try to wear it on top of a really dark color to neutralize it. Then I have the Innisfree Creamy Tint Lipstick, and this is what it looks like. The shade name or number is 4. I'm not too sure what the name is, but the number is 04. This is what it looks like. Let me open it up for you guys. And this is what the bullet got a little flattened on top, but that's fine. It's summertime, you know, bullets tend to melt really easily. I'm gonna keep it in the fridge. Then I have a lip concealer because I do a lot of lip swatches, and I saw this and I was like, lip concealer, sounds interesting. So this is what the lip concealer looks like, and once you open it up, this is what it looks like. It looks like a normal concealer. So I can't wait to try how it will neutralize my lip color so that I can get the perfect swatches for my lipsticks. So I got the lip concealer. I will, as I said, have all of the prices mentioned here so that you guys know how much everything retails for. Then I got the Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil. This one retails for 400 rupees as well. It has a spoolie on one side, which I really like. I love when pencils have spoolies so that you can brush out your eyebrows. And on the other side you have the pencil, which is like a slant tip pencil. It looks black in color, but when you swatch it, it's very gentle. It's not highly pigmented, so it's perfect. Like, that's how I like my eyebrow products to be, not extremely highly pigmented at all. And then the last product, yes, we're finally here. The last product that I got was the Innisfree Bold Kohl. This is what it looks like. Now I love to smudge a nice black liner on my top lash line, and this seemed very beautiful. Like, it's very soft, creamy, and it looks like the perfect kajal which you can put on your lash line and then just smudge it. So yeah, that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. Also, do not forget to participate in the contest because it's an amazing contest, and if you win the trip to Jeju Islands, you know that you're taking me along, right? Because please do, please, I beg you, please. So yeah, as I said, that's going to be it. I will see you guys super soon. Till then, you can follow me on all of my social media, which would be listed in the bottom bar as usual for you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.